How many times have you signed up for an online course, watched a few videos passively at double speed, and then completely failed to change a single thing about how you actually work on Monday morning? It is a common cycle, and it happens because most training focuses entirely on theory rather than execution. This course is designed to be completely different. It is built specifically for working professionals who want to implement AI in real project environments. This lesson serves as your guide to getting maximum professional value from every single module we cover. If you are a project manager, an engineer, a program manager, or a commercial director, your time is your most valuable asset. You do not have hours to waste on generic tech tutorials or high-level academic discussions that do not apply to your daily reality. This program is intentionally engineered to respect your schedule and immediately upgrade your operational output. Let's look closely at who this program was designed for and what we will be doing together. Let's establish an essential distinction right away. This is a practical implementation course, not an AI theory course. It has been built from the ground up for project managers, engineers, program managers, PMO professionals, commercial managers, risk professionals, and consultants. It addresses the precise realities faced across highly structured, complex industries like infrastructure, transport, rail, water, power, oil and gas, mining, and healthcare. Because this is an operational toolkit, let's talk about what this course is not. You will see absolutely no coding, no machine learning theory, no complex AI mathematics, and no software engineering concepts. You do not need a computer science degree to control these large language models. Instead, this is a practical workflow course. Our absolute focus is helping you save time on real tasks, improve your output quality, use AI professionally, structure prompts effectively, and build highly reusable systems. Think of this as an upgrade to your professional operating system. Every framework we discuss is designed to be taken directly from this course and deployed into your live project environment that very same day. To ensure that these techniques stick, every single section of this program follows a repeatable, practical structure built around one core principle: learn, see, and then apply. We break this system down into 3 distinct phases. First, we start with our teaching lessons. These segments explain the core concepts, the underlying prompting logic, structural frameworks, and critical risk considerations. The purpose here is to build a rock-solid professional understanding before you ever attempt application. Second, we move directly into our demo lessons. This is where we show real prompts, real workflows, and practical AI outputs across professional project management use cases. You get to look over my shoulder and observe the implementation in action. Third, we provide comprehensive resource downloads. Included in every single section are exact prompt templates, frameworks, operational checklists, and governance tools. The purpose of these resources is to enable immediate workplace implementation. You don't have to spend time inventing templates. You just copy, adapt, and execute. Our demo lessons serve as the practical application engine of this entire course. We do not use abstract, simplified textbook examples. We work through real project management workflows. Every single demo follows a highly transparent 4-step breakdown. We begin by presenting a practical PM task, setting up a real-world scenario you encounter regularly. Next, we display the actual prompt, exposing the exact word-for-word instructions and constraints utilized for the exercise. Then, we show you the raw AI output, analyzing the model's generated deliverable in real time. Finally, we cover lessons to reuse, where we extract reusable practices and underlying templates that you can immediately repurpose. Throughout this course, our demos will cover high-value deliverables, including risk registers, status reports, contract notices, project charters, stakeholder communication, scope reviews, and meeting minutes. I want to give you an important piece of advice. During these demos, actively study the prompt structure, the specific wording choices, the context design, and the output formatting. Treat these demos as practical workflow blueprints. They are built for execution, not entertainment. Now, let's talk about one of the highest value habits you can form in this course: developing your personal prompt library strategy. Throughout these lessons, you will repeatedly encounter advanced, reusable prompt structures. Do not treat them as simple one-time examples to be looked at and forgotten. The secret of elite, high-performing AI users is that they rarely ever start from scratch. Instead, they rely on a curated, reusable prompting system that they can trigger instantly whenever a task lands on their desk. As you progress through the modules, you should deliberately build out your personal library across 5 core areas: reporting and project controls, risk workflows, stakeholder communication, contract and governance documents, and planning workflows. Why does this matter so much? Because having an organized, go-to library results in significantly faster workflows, higher document consistency, drastically reduced thinking effort, and repeatable productivity gains that compound over your entire career. Stop rewriting prompts from scratch every morning. Build an automated system that handles the drafting heavy lifting for you. If you want to get the absolute maximum value out of this training, we have to look honestly at how adults learn. Watching these videos passively, without applying the steps, dramatically reduces your long-term retention. To break that pattern, I want you to follow a highly disciplined 6-step implementation approach on every single lesson. Step 1. Focus on understanding the core concept and the underlying prompting logic. Step 2. Closely watch the practical demo to observe the mechanics in action. Step 3. Open up your own AI workspace, copy our template, and actively adapt the prompt parameters. Step 4. Immediately apply it to your own live projects, testing it against real-world data. Step 5. Refine your personal version based on the specific results you get. And finally, Step 6. Save that optimized prompt into your personal prompt library so you can access it forever. Always remember this core rule. This course creates value through active implementation, not passive consumption. To ensure your success, let's look at the dark side of learning. We need to call out the common learning mistakes that can completely undermine the professional value of this program. There are 4 specific traps you must actively avoid. First, do not watch passively. If you treat this course like passive entertainment instead of a workflow toolkit, your habits on Monday morning will look exactly the same as they do today. Second, avoid blind copying. Never use a prompt blindly without carefully adapting the commercial and technical context to your specific project environment. Third, never skip review. Expecting AI outputs to be completely perfect immediately without applying rigorous, expert professional review is a recipe for career disaster. And fourth, do not ignore accountability. Using AI tools without fully understanding your project accountability and professional liability is highly dangerous. Instead of falling into those traps, consciously treat this course as an operational workflow implementation toolkit, a productivity operating system, and a major professional capability upgrade. Let's summarize the vital structural lessons from this module as we prepare to jump into the core material. First, remember at all times that this is a practical workflow implementation course designed for busy working professionals, not an academic theory course. Second, our teaching lessons explain the guiding principles, while the demo lessons show you real, unedited project management workflows in action. Third, every resource, template, and checklist provided is engineered for immediate workplace use to save you time today. Fourth, commit to building your personal prompt library throughout the course to ensure your productivity gains compound over time. And finally, never forget that active implementation creates far stronger professional value than passive watching. Professional adaptation of context will always matter significantly more than blind copying. This program is not designed to be watched once and forgotten. It is built to become your permanent, reusable professional operating system. Coming up next in Lesson 1.5, we are going to look closely at the honest limits of AI, including handling hallucinations, data confidentiality, professional liability, verification discipline, and ultimate reputation protection. I will see you in the next lesson.